When you, I say, alright, I say you go. Them a work. Them want full paycheck. If rain start fall, 2 hours after them come. Them want a full paycheck the whole day. And then now when you question them, them a say, you're wicked and you're bad mind. But when them a work for Mr. Chin and the white man, them we start work 8 o'clock, you know. And them there Mr. Chin or the white man yard from 6 in the morning.
Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done.
And the white man I say, but wait, me no wake yet. Come back 8 o'clock. That's how enough Jamaican are. But me as a Jamaican, we give them a work. And the work start 8 o'clock or 10 o'clock before them come. And if you question them, I say you're bad mind. Really? Yo, what? Sometimes I tell a star. Tell me if I lie, me I tell. Me now say all of them. Enough of them. Tell me a lie, me I tell. And when they come, they want breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Sometimes they want all your woman.
You serious?